Hi students, welcome to physics class. I am your physics teacher. Okay, now, so already we learned for the first lesson. The first lesson name is the nature of physical world and measurement. So nature of physical world and measurement. Okay, now, so what does mean by physics? Physics means to study for the non-living things, to study for the non-living things. Okay, now, so next, the previous classes we see that the two types of the physics is divided for the two types. First one is classical mechanics and second one is quantum mechanics. Classical mechanics means only for the old theory we studies for the mechanics, okay, thermodynamics, causes and then light, optics. So that is study for the classical mechanics. Next, the quantum mechanics mean the structure of the nuclear physics, atomic structures. That is for the quantum mechanics. So now you see today the topic for the physics is related to the some technology and society. The physics is related to the some related to technology and society. What is mean by technology? The technology is the application for the purpose for physical purpose for a practical. Okay, that's for the practical thing. The practical things means to invent a new product, to invent a new process or new produce to solve some problem. That is called for the technology. So, what first means what is mean technology? The technology, the application of the physical purpose, the physical studies. Okay, in a practical purpose. The practical purpose means to invent a new substance or new produce or new that's a useful produce, that is for the new technologies. Okay, so for example, the first one is the electricity and magnetism. Already you know the electricity, this for the current. Magnetism means magnet, already you know. So the sign is inverted. When will be inverted or which we consider the electricity and magnetism. They have learned for a wireless communication. Wireless communication. Already you know the wireless communication. For example, use your cell phone. To use your cell phone. Okay, so cell phone can be recharge pandratha and tower from idellame namakku enna wireless communication. That is for the wireless communications. Okay, so next one, the wireless communications is used for the launching of satellite in a space. Launching of satellite in a space. Okay, so otherwise the satellite to pass a signal to all our country. Okay, that is for useful of the technologies. Next one, microelectrons, lasers, computer, superconductivity and nuclear physics. These all terms are to change the lifestyle of your human beings. Okay. For example, microelectrons to use a phone, laser light, and then computer. Mostly the all system is based only for the computers. Superconductivity and then nuclear physics. So this all categories are change the lifestyle of your human beings. That is for example of your technology. That is example for your technology. Okay, so the physics is related in a technology and society. The technologies means to invent a new things, that is called for the technology. For example, we consider the electricity and then magnetism. We consider the electricity and magnetism. So they both are together to form a wireless communication. So they are both to form a wireless communication. So the wireless communications is launching for the satellite. Okay. So some signals pass to the satellite and satellite pass to the other signals for the air. That is for the communication. That is for the wireless communication. Next one is microelectronics, lasers, computer and superconductivity and the nuclear physics. All terms are change the lifestyle of a human beings. That is for the technology. Otherwise, the physics is in related to some many of the things. For example, first one is the chemistry. Physics is used in a chemistry. For example, structure of atom. Okay, the structure of atom to see in your microscope only. to use in a microscope. So the microscope is based on the physics. The microscope is based on the physics. So the chemistry wise, the physics used for structure of atom, and next one radioactivity, and then X-ray diffractions. Okay. So structure of atom, and then radioactivity, X-ray diffraction. So these three terms is used for the arranging the elements in the periodic table. For example, you understand for the azan. Okay, azan or hydrogen. This atomic structures you know. To arrange in a period, already you know the periodic table because you learn in a lower class. For example, 10th day you study that. Okay, how many elements are present in the periodic table? 108. How many? 108 elements is present in a periodic table. So the periodic table arranged in a atomic number wise. Is arranged in a atomic number. So the physics is used for the structure of the atom and radioactivity, X-ray diffraction. These all terms are used for arranging the periodic table in a atomic number wise. Further, we help for to understand the valencies and then chemical bonding. Some other are used in this chemistry. That is for the physics related. Next one is the biology. Already know the biology. To study the living things, that is called for the biology. Are both the animals and the plants that you see that we study for the biology. So the biology wise, without a microscope, you not study for the any one animal structures. For example, you the human body is made up of a cell, you know. Okay, so we see that only for the microscope. When we invented the electron microscope, the cell is considered. So the electron microscope is used for structure of a cell. The electron microscope used for the electron structure of a cell. Next one, the X-ray. The X-ray is used for a diagnosis purpose. And then already know the radioisotope. You learn in a 10th standard. Okay, we learn in a 10th standard. Radioisotope is used for the radiotherapy to cure the cancer. For other diseases. Okay, that is used for the biology. Next one is you see that the mathematics. Physics is related in a mathematics. For example, that is for a quantitative science. Quantitative means quantity. Quantitative means a quantity. Any numbers you wanted, that is used for in a quantitative. Okay, so this is for closely related. That is for a closely. Closely means how many atoms are present. So how many means a measurement. So suppose this is for one atom. So for example, you see that hydrogen. So hydrogen atomic number is 1. So the 1 is the mathematical purpose. So the mathematics is used for the quantitative science. It is used for a quantitative. How much electrons are present or how many protons are present. That is for the mathematical. Okay. Next one is the astronomy. So the astronomy means the astronomic telescope. You know the telescope? Which is discovered? Galileo is discovered for the telescope. Okay. So the astronomical telescope are used for the motion of planets. And then some reverse. For example, solar system. The sun is center. The other nine planets are revolves around the sun. So the planets are which side are going. That is mentioned to realize for the astronomy telescope. So the radio telescope to use for the distance object. The radio telescope is used for the distance object. Next one is the geology. Geology means the earth. So studies of the earth. Okay. So the diffraction is helpful to crystal structure of the rocks. Already you know the rocks means ingala pesa kallu irukku other rocks solrom. So the rock to study the crystal structure, otherwise to used for the age of a rocks, and then earthod age, and then fossil fuels. Already you know the fossil fuels. What is meant by fossil fuels? The 3 million years ago, some plants and animals are dead and present in a air. That is for the fossil. Okay, this fossil fuels and so on. This fossil fuels age are determined in for a geology. Determined for only for a geology. That is for the physics related in chemistry. So chemistry, I recall one time. So chemistry which studies are used for the structure of atom and radioactivity and then X-ray diffraction. This all three terms are used for the to arrange the element in a periodic table. To arrange the element in a periodic table. Further, we helped into the valency and then chemical bonding. They are used. Second one is the biology. The biology means already you know to study for the living things only. Okay. So the electron microscope is used for the structure of a cell. So electron microscope is used for a structure of a cell. Next one is the X-ray. Okay. X-ray is used for diagnostic purpose and then radioactivity. So that is for the radioisotope. The radioisotope is used for the used in the radiotherapy to cure the cancer diseases. Next you will see the mathematics. The mathematics are used in the quantitative science. Next for the quantity. Quantity means how much. That is for the quantity. It is closely related in a physics. For example, already I told the axon. Axon is atomic number 12. Okay. So this axon number, this for the how much are. So this is related for the mathematical purpose. Next one is the astronomy. The astronomy telescope is used for the motion of a planets. And other radio telescope is used for to measure the distance of the how many distance are present. That is to understand for the astronomy. Next one is the geology. That's for the earth conditions. So to understand the structure of the rocks, and age of a rocks, and to determine for the age of a earth, and to determine for the fossil fuels. That is for the geology. Next one you see the oceanography. Already you know the ocean. A big salt are present in the ocean. Okay. So next you see the oceanography. What is meant by oceanography? To study the branch of to study for the ocean, that is called for the oceanography. So the studies are used for the ocean temperature. For example of ocean, the surroundings temperature. So to study the temperature. Next one, to understand for the how many water levels are present, how many chemical components are present. Okay, how many chemical components. And then third one is the water level. So this all terms are studied for the oceanography. These all terms are studied for the oceanography. So next one is the psychology. What is meant by psychology? Anyone? What is meant by psychology? Psychology means to study for the another purpose for the human people. Okay, that is for the human purpose. For example, me. Okay, இப்போ நீங்க learn பண்றீங்க அப்படினா எப்படி learn பண்றீங்கன்னு என்னால என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? Observe பண்ண முடியும். That is for the psychology. This psychology is based for the neural system. This is based for the neural system. Okay. So this is end of the topic. So this all terms you know, this all terms are only related in for a physics. This all terms only related for a physics term. Okay, that is for the technology and society in a physical. That is for a technology and society is related to in a physics of the term. So next classes you see the measurement. So thank you students. Thank you to all.